guys, it's your girl Estä, aka Bunny, aka Bun Bun, aka Buns, aka Bun. And basically I am here to give you the highly requested wash routine. For my first wash, I'll be using Neutrogena's shampoo, which is the Healthy Scalp Hydro Boost. I use this as my first wash to basically break down all the oils that I have in my hair. For my second wash, I'll be using Different Feel. It's a Biotin Pro Growth shampoo. I can say that I used this a few times and I like it. It's not too stripping and it's not too moisturizing. It's like an in-between shampoo. I can say that washing my hair is one of the things that I can say I can't complain about because it takes me about 20 to 30 minutes to wash my hair. For my third wash, I'll be using one of my shampoos that will be out soon. I love this shampoo so much. It's so tingly. It gives you so much lather and some slip, and it's not as drying as some clarifying shampoos are. It has a nice minty feeling, and baby, the scalp be feeling clean. For conditioner, I use the Mane & Tail Deep Moisturizing Conditioner. I drown my hair with this. And after I apply the conditioner in my hair, I will also take oil and mix it in my hands and apply it to my ends for sealing in the moisture and not having dry ends when I get out of the shower. Cause baby, nothing like fresh, moisturized, clean hair. Okay? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell notification to get alerts. And if you have not liked this video, you might as well. It lets me know that you like content like this. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I will see you guys on the flip side. Bye!